Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about iPhone and I would like to show you the way how you can lock the application on your iPhone with passcode and Face ID. So here, make sure first that your iPhone already activated the passcode and Face ID to lock your phone. So how to activate it, you just need to go with the settings and then you just need to scrolling down until you got the general section, or you can also do with this Face ID and passcode right here, and then make sure that you activate it. Whenever you already activated those features on your iPhone, you just need to go slide, just go into the left side until you found the app library, and then you just need to tap the shortcuts. So this application will help you to lock the application with it. Now you just need to go click the middle section, which is the automation, and go click this plus button there. So I already make this lock options here. So let's just do for the next application, go with this plus button, and then you just need to simply type app and then just go click it. Now make sure you click this is open rather than is closed and change from run after confirmation with run immediately. Now you just need to go click this choose application and pick the application that you want to lock here. Let's say I would like to lock this, go click done and go click next. The next thing you need to do is just go click add new blink automation here and go click this add action, and then you just need to type lock screen. And those lock screen will be pop up, just go click it, and now you just need to go click done. So whenever the books application is open, your phone will be automatically locked it, so they will be only can be open right after you add the passcode or give the access to your face. And let's just find the application to open, go click it and see it's locked. So that is the way how you can lock the application with your passcode and Face ID. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.